Guys, welcome back. So to make this beautiful hairstyle that we just saw on Ibuchim, I'm going to start off by saturating her hair with some water. This is water mixing with some leave-in conditioner. I'm going to spread that hair all over her head, and then I'm going to be adding a leave-in conditioner to saturate her hair really well. Then after that, I'll take a really wide tooth comb and detangle her hair. She hates detangling her hair, so yeah, I'm trying to make this process as painless as possible. After that, I'm going to go ahead and find the middle of her head. I'm going to part it all the way to the back, all the way to the back, from the beginning, from the front to the back. And then after parting that, to one section, I'm going to part into two again. To one section of the part, I'm going to part into two sections, and then I'm going to start making this rectangular box shape. Yes, just like this. For this, I'm going to be making total of 7 all the way to the back. I'll make 3 in the front and 4 at the back. Just watch the video. It is pretty explained, so you get what I am doing. So I am using a gel to bring her hair together because she has a really strong afro. So, and I'm making bigger parts, the bigger sections. I'm using gel to bring her hair together so that it will be as painless as possible. You don't want this to be too tight, okay, or else it's going to hurt her scalp. So be mindful of that. All right. And then this, you do not necessarily do this part I'm doing right here. You can just go ahead and just start the tying process, which will start shortly. But the parting it out first with a rubber band. I'm using a black rubber band so that it will not be showing in the hair, through the hair. I'm doing this so that I can get a clean and crisp pattern. So yeah.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is.
Once I'm done tying this side, I'm going to repeat the same process with the middle section as well. Just parting a rectangular box and then tying it with a rubber band, using gel to bring it together, and then tying it with a rubber band. Please make sure that you do not tie it do not tie the rubber band strong. Make sure that you won't tie it all the way to the roots. Give a gap before in the roots before you tie it together to avoid scalp pain. Okay. And then for this middle part, I think I had a total of about 12 parting. I have 12 parting because our hair is really short. If our hair wasn't short, I'll be having about 8 or the latest 10 parting, but I think I had about 12 to 14 patterns over here in the middle section. I do not remember. So yeah, but just make sure that you can part smaller, or you can part even bigger than I am doing now, depending on the length of your child's hair. Then when I am done doing this side, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process in the other side as well. Now that is done, I am going to be prepping my Brazilian wool. I'm going to be using Brazilian wool for this African threading method. You can use baby wool or bobby wool or Brazilian wool. All works great. Okay. Then immediately I am done cutting my wool, I am going to start tying. What I'm going to be doing is that I will tie one first, and then I'll knot it, and then when I start tying the second one, I'm going to go ahead and join the first one with the second one and then tie it together. Just watch it so that you get what I'm saying. I am done tying the first one. The second one, I'm equally using gel to slick it, and then I'll add the second one and tie it just like this. Did you get what I did right here? And then once I'm done tying the second one, I'm going to go ahead to start tying the third one. I'll grab the third one, tie a little bit, and then I am going to go ahead to join the second one to make it one straight tie. I don't know. I don't know. Do you understand what I did right here? And then once I'm done tying the three in the front, I'm going to go ahead to tie it really well and then knot it just like this. It is it is pretty simple. I have exactly this video, I have something like this on my channel, but it was not tied. It was done with just her natural hair when her natural hair was still long. Then I'm going to repeat the same process that I did with the front to the back, but this time around I'm going to be tying from the back, from the down coming up. I don't know if you understand what I mean. And then I'm going to go ahead to tie the other part as well. I'll tie the two sides before I'll begin the middle section, because the middle section will be, it will be a little different. There's a little twist that I'm going to be adding to the middle section.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
I am done tying these two sides. Now I'm going to start tying the middle section. So for the middle section, I am going to be doing the crisscross. I'm going to be doing the crisscross method. So what I'll be doing is I'll be tying one in this side, and then after tying this, I'm going to cross it over to the other side and then join it together with that one and tie it again. Do you understand? It is called crisscross method, just like you saw with the thumbnail. Yes, look at it. It is so beautiful, you guys. I love this so much. And then after tying it, I'm gonna go ahead and tie one in that left side, the right side. Once I'm done tying it, I will knot it. Do not forget to knot it so that it does not unravel. Okay, this hairstyle can go 4 weeks, 3 weeks without unraveling if done right. If it can even go for months. So once I'm done tying that, I'm going to go ahead and cross it over to the other side and tie it, join it to that side, and now tie it. That is why it is called a crisscross, like we are crossing it. And then I'm going to repeat this process all the way to the middle of her hair again.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want you to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
And then once I am done tying the front, I'm going to go ahead to repeat the same process on the back of her head. And then after that, I'm going to go ahead and gather this together. I'm gathering three for each side. That is two in the front and one at the back. Yeah, and then I'll tie it together. I'll repeat the same process with the other side. Two in the front, one at the back. I'll tie it together. So initially, I wanted to pack it into two with kinky, but then I started looking for the pack of kinky I bought. Then I went ahead and changed my mind. I gathered everything into one again. I gathered everything into one section, just like you're seeing. Then I went ahead to cut up some Brazilian wool, brushed it out, and made a jumbo braid from it. I made a jumbo braid from it. Then after making the braids, I'm going to go ahead to attach this to that section that I just tied on her hair. I'm using a smaller part of the Brazilian wool to wrap it around so that it doesn't unravel. Then after that, I'll roll it up. I'll roll it just into one bun like that. And then after that, I went ahead to add some accessories. This accessory, she tore everything within seconds. So I added a little bit of accessories here and there, puff puff, and this is the finished look, you guys. Everyone loved this hairstyle. Old people, young, everyone loved it. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. I love you guys. Bye.